Back to XPW Homefront. We have a fatal four-way match. #1 contenders for the Intercontinental Championship at Clash at Cleveland, taking on Jay Everett. Coming to the ring, weighing 217 pounds. He is the Mad King, Mathis.
It's me, I'm winning.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have coming down to the ring. Looking to make a splash and win his first title upcoming soon. Coming to the ring.
I think that might be a little error.
Weighing 204 pounds. Jayden Blacksmith.
I can't even hear you at this point. I can't hear you, Yama.
He says it's all about dominance tonight. What? And plans on showing why everyone backstage should be scared.
It's one man battery.
Oh yeah, I am up for this guy. To the ring. He is the chosen one. AJ Everett.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
This shit just make you wanna. Told my mama that one day that I'm on my job and every day I'm on my grind. No, I can't stop, no. Niggas wanna hate me, twist the style, make a lane. You try to copy nothing like me, wanna bite, I know. Z-Bros, I need 8 Z-Bros. Diamonds on my neck, and this make my teeth froze. We gon' make it pop and we gon' make it explode. Way to heaven to the top and we
the second superstar to end his debut match, defeating the world heavyweight champion, Roy Saban.
This shit just make you wanna
take that momentum into this match and become the #1 contender for the IC title.
Like, never fall.
The guy who treats every match as if it's the biggest one of his career. He definitely plans to steal the show tonight.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have him coming to the ring. He is Jimmy Evans.
Oh my god! Phone just grabbed that. Okay, I love that.
And
Never mind.
North Dakota, weighing in at 221 pounds.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
In Discord.
A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it.
Jimmy Evans in this match looking to build his momentum back up in XPW and become the next Intercontinental Champion. This should be a great match, ladies and
A plan should be in place to isolate and eliminate the most dominant force in the match, and then the remaining players do battle until there's a winner.
It makes sense to create a situation, but be careful if that superstar finds their way back into the match. They will be out for retribution.
Remember the rules of this matchup. The first superstar to gain pinfall or submission will pick up the victory.
Watch this athleticism.
AJ Cannon going to work.
The WWE Universe giving him an extra shot of adrenaline.
Vicious attack. They outlaw that move from other sports for a reason.
A stalemate of counters. Oh, that might have just broken something.
He's returning fire.
Yes, here's your favorite corner. Brilliant.
It's
Showing great awareness of positioning, placing yourself between the ref and your opponent.
Corey, so many things can transpire in a matchup like this. What could be? Look at this.
No way. He's heading back to the ring. No, that was a harebrained idea to try that.
Was trying to find a way to attack, but completely wiped out.
Standing Spanish fly. Are you kidding
Into the
me?
midsection.
Bang!
Oh my gosh!
Blacksmith with the power in this ring.
We are witnessing a malicious streak
He's still holding on.
right now. The damage
And
is
he
taking
drops
its
back
toll.
in with another.
You have to be in peak physical condition to pull off a
Jimmy
move with
Evans
that
is
much
tossing
weight
the
behind it. Ooh,
And Blacksmith busts open the mouth.
And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll. And you can tell there are true intentions in mind right now.
Escape just in time.
Inverted atomic drop. Got him set up in the corner of the ring. And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble. You better have an aptitude for pain because it just keeps coming. Gets inside the ring. Tope atomico. Amazing. DDT.
Matt King makes a difference.
Attack from behind. Neck breaker. Oh, what a counter. Close with their head.
Try the Hurricane Rana. And got caught by an uppercut.
Shocking inside cradle.
Small package is gonna be it.
Are you kidding me? Not even a one count.
Look out!
Straight to the
Cannon with the splash.
playing with fire and getting
Matt
burned.
King looking for the
Decision to take such a risk at this juncture is questionable.
Followed up by another to the chest.
Evans.
So much damage inflicted.
Matt King.
Blockbuster.
Knocks
He is just reeling from that offense.
Yeah, this fatal
Blacksmith
blow
is
has
gonna win
certainly
that DDT.
taken its toll, Michael.
Oh, right in there.
Blacksmith with a reversal on Evans. He has Evans.
Uh-oh.
Evans going up for a powerbomb.
Throwing
Gets
down
out.
punches and counters out.
German suplex.
Taking out the
Drop
knee.
kick to the knee. Clothesline on Cannon. Matt King is taking everyone out.
No!
Somersault plunge out of the floor. Like a heat-seeking missile hit the target right on the mark.
Matt King
Look at these
is taking
educated
everyone
hands
out.
and feet.
And a DDT.
Done with a DDT. And that failed to hit the mark.
And Blacksmith with a DDT.
That is it. Can it be capitalized on?
This has been an absolutely brutal display of will from these men.
You can see the flames starting to flicker. It's only a matter of time before one goes out. 619! Does he get it here?
Gets reversed.
Matt King reverses back.
Kick out of holding on. Here's a window. Will he take advantage? I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
Did this ref even count the three?
This match is all over the place, ladies and gentlemen.
Who can blame them?
Heading up, he's thinking big. Bam!
He takes out Evans. Matt King top rope. This is the splash.
Trying to work the arm.
Mad King reverses.
Now in control.
Hits to the next section. Get him. He misses the drop kick.
Answering back. My goodness. That's insulting.
Get him with a German suplex.
Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination. He can't take any more of this.
He's going to work on Blacksmith.
Inside cradle.
Get him. No! He can't move like this.
He gets the kick out after the one.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct. To stomp in every single part of his body.
And a DDT from Blacksmith. Forearm to King.
He was elusive there. This is gonna hurt. Doomsday Saito. And he's already.
He takes out King.
That might be the final nail in the coffin. Makes a cover. And he breaks up the count.
Evans with the kick out.
Using his body as a weapon. When you're in an
Mad King
atmosphere
off the
like
rope.
that,
He gets you drops over. He drops it over.
control.
Blacksmith with the kick out.
He's turning the tables. Lariat. Turned that one around. What a forearm. He turns it around.
From Evans.
Counters.
Misses the
Face buster plants him.
Bulldog.
For the victory here.
Mad King takes out the pin.
No, stops the count.
Evans with the kick out.
You got a question. How much is it worth? How much is it worth to continue through the agony?
It's obviously worth everything. Obviously worth every drop of sweat on the ground.
Blacksmith with the reversal.
And breaks up.
Get him. Poison water. Blacksmith.
The
He got
shoulder.
King up.
Knee right to the face. German
German
suplex.
suplex.
Here he goes for the win.
He takes
and
it.
he closes it out.
The Blacksmith pin him. 1,
Kicks
2.
it, just kicked out.
Can you imagine how much escaping that pin must have cost him?
I can. These are the moments where you really find out how tough you are. It is unreal that this match is still going on after a maneuver that would end most matches. Boom! A forearm smash.
Evans with the forearm. And the German suplex for the Mad King.
Oh, he retaliates.
Drop kick to the knee.
What a hook.
He takes out
Swings
Jayden
with the
Blacksmith.
feet.
Combo move.
And then a stop to the back. Incoming.
Mad King with a cannonball.
Looking for a high rip. Landed with a face buster to the sky. Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off.
Misses.
An absolutely terrible
Evans in the
landing
again.
ringside. Boom. And finds a counter. Heavy forearm rocks their opponent. Looking to bring them back in the heart. That was unique.
Cannon.
Gut wrench applied.
Outside of the ring.
Big
What's he
time
coming on?
suplex.
Drop kick to the
There's
knee.
more to come. A second gut wrench suplex. Shot to the back. Climbing up top. He's got big plans. Uh-oh, look out. And hot-shotting him over from the soaring elbow drop. Good lord.
Cannon with the elbow drop.
From behind.
And a back body suplex.
The springboard attack fails to land.
Who's gonna win this match? No.
Across the shoulders.
King has
Right to
him
the
again.
face.
German suplex.
Isn't enough to secure the victory.
And that was taking the attack to the... This could do it! And the count's broken, keeping the match alive. It's not over yet. He may get the 3 count right here! I think so! Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. I'm surprised it took...
He just dropped the Mad King with the roller down. It can't be like this. Cannon with the roller.
Got it!
One,
Just a 2!
I am shaking my head in disbelief.
disbelief over how
Matt
he
King was
managed
spinning
to
in
get
the low
this
blow,
over.
and a snap suplex to the Matt King.
Across the top rope, all the way to the floor. Fall away,
moonsault slam.
Is it enough? The cover!
Matt King back up.
Setting up.
Cross cannon. What's he going for? 7-11.
Spiked him. This is his chance. Will he seize the moment? Bulldog.
Matt King.
Fails to connect on the springboard. And he's able to
Running out of
reverse.
steam out of there. Yes, Blacksmith.
Gripping the
Repeat
jaw.
it.
My goodness. That's insulting.
Takes out Evans with a combo.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's
Takes out David with a combo.
And then a stop to the back.
Super kick from Cannon.
Here it comes. Oh, what a punch. Right to the kidneys from behind. He's focused on bringing that to the ring right now, taking away the center movement. And the assault to that area continues. Sustaining the attack above the neck region.
Like he's gonna win the match. Evans in the ring.
Cinched up. Inverted crunch. That's gotta be it. There's two. Drop kick from behind. Ouch. And misses on the springboard.
He misses.
Hooked up. DDT. And he breaks up the count.
Evans with the pin.
Going for sliced bread. Gonna counter power slam. And a clothesline.
Sliding clothesline.
Shoulders down.
Matt King.
That
One.
could have been it right there.
Cannon with the kick out.
Taking this to the floor. Quick
Forearm
return
to
to
the
the ring.
Matt King.
Now that's a bell.
Forearm to
He
Blacksmith.
could put his opponent.
Forearm to the ref.
It's over.
Cannon accidentally takes the ref out.
To be honest, I am baffled right now.
Evans tried to get the pin. Drop kick to the knee. Now Evans is pissed off. He's taking out the
Get ready,
ref.
Saxton. You might be the replacement.
And a drop kick to the back of the neck.
Oh, swanton.
Evans.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch.
The ref is out. Matt King is out.
Springboard
Evans
misses the
back
target.
out. He is pissed off with the ref. He tosses the ref outside the ring.
And it's the ref who takes a hit there. Things might be getting a little out of control.
Drop kick to the knee.
Using his body as a
Senton.
Oh, man. Reversal. Can they go with the
Jimmy
attack?
Evans with a back elbow.
Makes him pay with a counter.
Jimmy Evans.
Gripping the
No! Repeated slap.
That's insulting. Probably in the wrong place at the wrong time. Hopefully he recovers quickly. This could develop into pure bedlam otherwise. Locks in the pump handle.
Matt King takes out Blacksmith.
Blast off.
Evans is
Some
stunned.
effective offense with that one.
Matt King with the pin.
Two. No, he gets the shoulder up.
Then Blacksmith kicks out.
Facebuster.
No!
This time around.
Matt King. This is the moment. One,
He breaks the
two.
pin.
Evans with the kick out.
Setting up again. Ooh, skull island. But can they turn that into a win?
One. The Matt King.
Series of jabs right to the jaw. Wind up. And will it be? Running interference. Strikes with the feet. And then a double stop to the lower back.
Takes Evans
Gripping the
again.
jaw. My goodness. That's insulting. He may get the 3 count.
No!
This is it.
No! No, not like this!
Victory. A win.
And it would have this match. Hey, take